Hello students, myself Rasmi Ranjana from Mount Litra G School Barh. I hope you all are blessed with your good health. Today we going to read new chapter 3 from your LR. The name of the chapter is Multiplication and Division. Students, you all studied in your previous class multiplication, but in class 4 we can study something more about the multiplication. So, what is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the basic arithmetic operations and can be thought of as repeated addition also. Listen dear, I am written here one example. 25 multiplied by 3 equal to 75. But if you adding 25 3 times, 25 added with 25, again added with 25, you get the same answer. Your answer is 75. So the multiplication is also a repeating addition. The number that is multiplied by the another number is called multiplicand. The number by which another number is multiplied is called multiplier. The result obtained on multiplying two numbers is called product. And what is the sign of multiplication? The sign of multiplication is cross, and this sign is placed between the number. In this slide, we can study about the properties of multiplication. What is written in first point? The product of any number with 0 is 0, means when you can multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. Example is given, 65 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. What is written in second point? A number multiplied by 1 will always give the number itself. In a simple word, when you multiply a number with 1, you get number itself as a product. Example given, 65 multiplied by 1, the answer is 65. And in a last point, the product of a number and 10 can be obtained by adding a 0 at the end of a number. Means when you can multiply any number with 10, you can add 0 in a last position of the number and you get your product. 65 multiplied by 10, answer is 650. In this slide, I am introducing you a new term, and that term is Lattice Method. The Lattice Method used as an alternative and earlier method to multiply two numbers. In this method, we use the lattice or the table of the multiplies. How we can draw the table? First, we can draw the table. Then, in a second step, divide each of the lattice into two parts by drawing a line from top right corner to bottom left corner. Upside, you can write down the multiplicand, and from your right hand side, you can write down the multipliers. Now, the product of, and then you can write down the product in that cells. In a cell, upside you can write down tens and downside you can write down ones. See here, in picture number 3, I am multiplying 6. 6 multiplied by 9 equal to 54. So 4 is in place of 1. So I am written here 4 downside, and 5 is in place of 10. So I am written in upside. Okay, so I think now you understand how we can write down the numbers. In a last step, I am explaining you how we get the answers. Add the numbers. When you can write down the product, then you add the numbers. Add the numbers in next diagonal path. See here, 7 I am written here. Then we can add 2 plus 2 plus 4. So 8. In the next step, we can add 9, 1, 4 and 5. When you add 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So you can write down 9 and carry 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. So I am written 1. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I think you understand what is the lattice method of multiplication, how we can solve it. Dear, in this slide, see, 2 examples is given. First one is 216 multiplied by 32, and then second one is 342 multiplied by 57. These examples also done by the using of lattice method. Please go through it, and related to this topic, I am uploading some question as a worksheet in our school website. So you also go through to your school website and do it. Thank you. God bless and take care yourself.